Description for ferrous metals.
Hello everyone, welcome to Pharmadom. Now today we will discuss about whatever the classification we had discussed in the previous video, from which the first metal which we are going to discuss, that is ferrous metal. So ferrous metal is a metal which is widely used, and this is a metal which is having a very low cost, right? And that's why it is easy for all the building material or plant construction that ferrous metals are to be useful for making the machineries. Here there are three types: cast iron, steel carbon, and stainless steel. Now we will discuss about the first type, that is a cast iron, and this cast iron is made up of iron, carbon, silicon and manganese, right? So these are the four metals which are there inside the cast iron, which is coming in the category of ferrous metal. This metal is abundantly available and it is somewhat inexpensive, right? So if it is inexpensive, then we can say that cost effect is of good for this iron. There are two types of cast irons, the white cast iron and the grey cast iron. Here the white cast iron is having abrasive nature, where the grey cast iron is somewhat strong in nature in comparison to white cast iron. Now we will discuss about the carbon steel, which is the second type of ferrous metal. Here a small amount of carbon is present in carbon steel, and an example of metals which are present inside the carbon steel are nickel, chromium, silicon and molybdenum. These are the four main metals which are present, and this metal, which is a carbon metal steel, that is used to make bars, pipes and plates. And the one thing and advantage for this steel or metal, we can say that it is somewhat cheapest, right? So this is a very good profit for making a good manufacturing units for our formulations. Now we will see the third type, that is stainless steel, which is having around 70 standard types of stainless steel. Here this steel is having four ions inside: metal, nickel, chromium and carbon. This is having an advantages or the properties, we can say. First, that is heat resistant. Second, it is having a good tensile strength. Third, the cleaning is to be possible good. And fourth, that is a sterilization of an equipment can be easily done.